Kia owners, stop. Before you schedule that transmission fluid change, before you hand over your key at the service counter, and before you let anyone near your Kia's transmission with a drain plug socket, you need to watch this video first, because there are specific things about changing a Kia's transmission fluid that the service advisor at the dealership is not going to tell you. Things that determine whether your transmission fluid change makes your Kia shift better and last longer, or whether it triggers a transmission failure that costs thousands of dollars and that you will spend months trying to understand. I have seen both outcomes. I have seen the transmission fluid change that restored smooth shifting on a Kia with 100,000 miles and bought that transmission another 100,000 miles of reliable service. And I have seen the transmission fluid change that a Kia owner authorized at a quick lube shop on a Friday afternoon, and that resulted in a transmission that would not engage properly by Sunday morning. The difference between those two outcomes is not luck. It is the specific knowledge we are covering today. The right fluid, the right method, the right timing, and the specific situations where changing the fluid is the right call versus the situations where it is absolutely the wrong one. Whether you drive a Sportage, Telluride, Sorento, K5, Forte, or any other Kia with an automatic or dual clutch transmission, this video applies to your vehicle. Let's get into it. The most important thing, nobody tells you the high mileage fluid change risk. Let us start with the most critical piece of information on this entire list, because it is the one that produces the most expensive outcomes when owners do not know it before they authorize a transmission fluid service. At high mileage, I would not recommend changing the fluid, or you will be replacing the whole transmission. The transmission is probably already slipping, but the clutch material in the old transmission fluid is acting like a friction modifier. Leave it alone, and it will probably last another 50,000 miles. Read that again. The worn clutch material suspended in old degraded transmission fluid is acting as a friction modifier that is keeping a slipping transmission functional. When you drain that fluid and replace it with fresh, clean fluid, you remove the material that was compensating for the clutch pack wear. The transmission that was shifting acceptably on degraded fluid suddenly has to perform on fresh fluid without the friction compensation the old fluid was providing, and it cannot. This is the transmission fluid change failure pattern that catches the most owners completely off guard, because the transmission was shifting fine before the service. Nothing felt wrong. The service seemed like straightforward preventive maintenance, and then the transmission starts slipping, hunting between gears, or refusing to engage cleanly on the first drive after the service. The honest truth that this pattern reveals is uncomfortable but essential. If your Kia has more than 120,000 miles on it and has never had the transmission fluid changed, the safest first step before authorizing a drain and fill is a professional transmission inspection, not a fluid sample analysis. An actual assessment by an experienced transmission specialist who can evaluate whether the transmission's clutch packs are in a condition that will tolerate a fluid change, or whether the vehicle is better served by continuing to run on its existing fluid for as long as it remains functional. For Kia owners with regularly serviced transmissions at appropriate mileage intervals, this risk is minimal. The clutch packs in a properly serviced transmission are not worn to the point where the old fluid is compensating for their degradation. But for owners who are considering their first ever transmission fluid service on a high mileage Kia, get the inspection first. The $30 to $60 inspection fee is the cheapest insurance available against a several $1,000 outcome. The fluid that determines everything. Why Kia specification matters more than you think. This is the mistake that quick lube shops make most consistently, and that produces the second most common transmission failure pattern following a fluid change on any Kia. Generic ATF or Mercon/V fluids can cause slippage, overheating, or seal degradation. Only fluids explicitly labeled as meeting SP4 specification should be used. The SP4 specification, the friction modifier chemistry that Kia's automatic transmissions require, is not interchangeable with generic ATF, not interchangeable with Dexron, and not interchangeable with Mercon 5, regardless of what the bottle's label claims about compatibility. The friction modifier chemistry in the SP4 specification is engineered specifically for the clutch pack material and the hydraulic valve body tolerance that Kia's automatic transmissions use. A fluid with different friction modifier chemistry produces a different clutch pack engagement characteristic that can feel fine initially and that diverges from the designed engagement behavior progressively over the following thousands of miles. Using the wrong viscosity or additives can cause components to wear out faster. Inadequate lubrication can lead to overheating, which may result in transmission failure. You may notice slipping gears, rough shifting, or even complete transmission failure if the wrong fluid is used. The specific fluid specifications vary by Kia model and transmission type. The Sportage with the 6-speed automatic uses a different specification than the Sportage with the 7-speed dual clutch. The Telluride uses a different specification than the Forte. Check your owner's manual for your specific model and transmission combination. The correct specification is listed there unambiguously, and it is the specification that should appear on the bottle of every fluid that goes into your Kia's transmission. Not a similar specification, not a compatible alternative, the exact specification. If you are having the service done at a shop, ask specifically what fluid they are using before authorizing the service. Ask them to show you the bottle. Read the specification on the label. If it does not match your owner's manual specification exactly, do not authorize the service until the correct fluid is sourced. The drain and fill versus the flush debate, and why this matters for your Kia specifically. There is no reason to do a flush. Unless you know the fluid is insanely old or contaminated, doing a flush can actually cause problems. A simple drain and fill should do the job. This is the service method debate that most Kia owners never think to ask about, and that produces dramatically different outcomes depending on which method is used on which transmission at which mileage. A drain and fill, draining the fluid through the drain plug and refilling with fresh fluid, replaces approximately 40% of the total fluid volume in a Kia automatic transmission. A simple drain and fill drains approximately 40% of the total ATF volume. But since much of the old, dirty fluid is replaced, the transmission will operate more efficiently than before. For a Kia transmission with regularly maintained fluid, this partial exchange is sufficient to refresh the friction modifier chemistry and the fluid's protective properties without the risk associated with a complete fluid exchange. A full flush, using a machine that connects to the transmission cooling line and exchanges the entire fluid volume, replaces 100% of the fluid, but also pushes the entire old fluid volume through every passage, every valve, body port, and every filter in the transmission before the new fluid arrives. On a transmission with significant accumulated deposits or debris, a complete flush can dislodge that material and move it into valve body passages, where it causes sticking solenoids and erratic shift behavior. For most Kia owners with transmissions that have been serviced at reasonable intervals, a drain and fill is the correct method. Multiple drain and fills performed over successive service intervals can gradually refresh a larger percentage of the total fluid volume for owners who want a more complete exchange without the risk of a single complete flush. If you change it early and keep up on intervals, it will last. If you wait too long for the first change, it helps, but not so much. The DCT transmission, the Kia that requires a completely different approach. Kia's 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the DCT found in certain Sportage, Forte, and other configurations, requires a completely different service approach from Kia's conventional automatic transmissions. And most shops that are competent at servicing conventional automatics are not equally competent at servicing DCT units. According to 2025 NHTSA complaint data, Kia Sportage transmission complaints increased 23% year over year, with 7-speed DCT models accounting for 62% of reports. The most common failure mode is premature clutch wear, occurring between 50,000 and 75,000 miles, with average repair costs ranging $2,800 to $4,200 for clutch pack replacement. The DCT's fluid specification is different from the automatic transmission specification. The DCT uses a wet clutch design where the clutch packs operate inside the fluid, meaning the friction modifier chemistry of the fluid directly determines how the clutch packs engage and how quickly they wear. Using incorrect fluid in a Kia DCT does not produce gradual degradation over time. It can produce immediate and dramatic shift quality changes on the first drive after the service. Internal Kia technical service bulletins from late 2024 acknowledged that DCT adaptive learning algorithms in 2017 through 2020 models were too aggressive, causing excessive clutch stress. This means the DCT in many Kia models has a documented sensitivity to both fluid specification and to the transmission control module calibration that most shops do not account for during a standard fluid service. For any Kia with a 7-speed DCT, the fluid service must be performed at a shop with specific DCT experience and with the correct DCT fluid specification for your model year and configuration. This is not a service for a general quick lube shop. It is a service for a Kia specialized independent transmission shop or a Kia dealer service department, where the technician understands both the fluid requirement and the adaptive learning reset procedure that should follow the fluid change. The correct service interval. What the data actually says. Kia provides specific guidelines regarding transmission fluid change intervals for each vehicle model. These recommendations typically include mileage milestones, such as every 30,000 to 60,000 miles or every 2 to 4 years depending on driving conditions and transmission type. The 30,000 to 60,000 mile range is a wide spread, and understanding where your specific Kia falls within that range depends on how you drive it. Vehicles subjected to heavy towing, frequent stop and go traffic, or extreme temperatures may require more frequent transmission fluid changes to compensate for increased wear and strain. Additionally, off-road driving or driving in dusty environments can introduce contaminants into the transmission fluid, necessitating more frequent changes. The practical translation for real Kia owners is this: if you drive a Telluride or Sorento that tows regularly, covers significant stop and go commuting mileage, or operates in high ambient temperatures, service the transmission fluid every 40,000 miles. If you drive a K5 or Forte primarily on highway miles in moderate climate conditions, the 50 to 60,000 mile interval is appropriate. And if you drive any Kia with the 7-speed DCT, service the fluid every 30,000 miles regardless of driving conditions. The DCT's sensitivity to fluid condition is documented in owner community data and does not accommodate the extended intervals that some conventional automatic configurations can tolerate. When they say life of the vehicle, I translate that to end of the warranty. That is the most accurate translation of Kia's lifetime fluid language in any transmission documentation. Lifetime means through the warranty period under ideal testing conditions. It does not mean never change it. It does not mean the fluid is good forever. It means the warranty does not require it, and your transmission's long-term health does. What to do right now? Based on your specific situation, here's the complete decision framework for every Kia owner watching this video. If your Kia has fewer than 60,000 miles and has never had the transmission fluid changed, schedule a drain and fill with the correct Kia specified fluid at your next service visit. You are in the straightforward low risk category. The fluid change will restore the friction modifier chemistry that has been depleting through heat cycles and will extend the clutch pack life meaningfully. If your Kia has 60,000 to 100,000 miles and has had at least one previous fluid service, a drain and fill at the correct specification is appropriate. Confirm the shop knows your specific fluid requirement. Confirm they are doing a drain and fill rather than a complete flush. And drive it for 100 miles after the service, paying attention to shift quality. Any new roughness, hesitation, or hunting between gears that was not present before the service warrants an immediate return to the shop. If your Kia has more than 100,000 miles and has never had the transmission fluid changed, get a professional transmission inspection before authorizing any fluid service. This is the critical category where the high mileage fluid change risk is most significant. The inspection will tell you whether the clutch packs are in a condition that can tolerate a fluid change or whether the transmission is better served by being left alone. If your Kia has a 7-speed DCT, go to a shop with specific DCT service experience. Use DCT-specific fluid in the exact specification for your model year. Service it every 30,000 miles, and ask about the adaptive learning reset procedure that should follow the fluid change to allow the TCM to recalibrate shift behavior to the fresh fluid. The Kia transmission fluid change that is done correctly, right fluid, right method, right timing, right shop, is one of the most cost-effective transmission longevity investments available. The one that is done incorrectly is one of the most expensive service visits you will ever have. Now you know exactly how to make sure yours is the former rather than the latter. Save this video before your next service appointment. Share it with every Kia owner you know who has been told they need a transmission fluid change. Drop a comment below telling us what Kia you drive, how many miles you have on it, and whether you have ever had the transmission fluid changed. Subscribe for more Kia maintenance guides and everything you need to protect your investment. New video every week. We will see you in the next one.